All right, just got our new home gym mirrors. This is the 2-piece 24-inch by 48-inch set. So they're all packaged up. I'm about to get them unpackaged and check them out. We got them unboxed. They were packaged really well. They were sandwiched between two pieces of plywood, had corner bracing, styrofoam. I mean, these suckers ain't breaking during shipment, that is for sure. It came with the installation instructions and the hardware required for installation, which these are kind of my favorite mirrors to install because they're super easy. So I'm gonna get them hung up and we'll check them out. So I wanted to get a close-up of the hardware because these are really cool. So essentially they mount to the wall via the screw hole there. You mount it in place. But then what I love is they're spring-loaded. And so you'll set your mirror in it and kind of lock it into place. And then you'll kind of open the top one and then it'll snap into place. That is really convenient. They got a little cork back so it doesn't scratch your mirror up. Pretty slick. All right, just got them hung up. You would never be able to tell because I've got my American flag hanging in the background, but there's a clip right there and a clip right there. They just screwed right into the wall, set the mirror in place, clipped them on top, bada boom, bada bing. It literally took me, I think, like 30 seconds. I'm not even exaggerating, but this thing is the perfect size for our power rack, which is awesome. Love it. Pretty sure it's shatterproof. So, pretty happy with it.